My name is Om Prakash Verma and I am from Department of IC as a System Professor.
Yeah, I'm Joseph Anand Vaz. I'm Professor of Mechanical Engineering at, and also I was formerly the coordinator of the Space Technology Incubation Center, and presently its Vice Chairman. Formally, since 2019, when the Space Technology Incubation Center was inaugurated over here at NIT.
Yes, officially in 2019 we have started in the ISRO Pulitzer program.
Fascinating is it gives you an idea about how vast the universe is and the scale at which it is, and we are really very, very small comparatively.
And my answer is in this question कि आपके पास एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है. It is not only the robotics, it is not about the material science. It's the interdisciplinary of all
All technologies.
all technology will required to develop in the space technology.
The launch of our space, the STEC Hall. There are, of course, at the national level and international level, there are several occasions. But the most memorable one is the inauguration of our Space Technology Incubation Center when it was formally done here in our campus.
चंद्रयान 3 जब हमने देखा था कि चंद्रयान 3 जब पहुंचा प्रोग्राम ना और जो लॉन्च हुआ और उसके लैंडिंग जब हुई रोवर की, that was the memorable and proud moment for us and India also.
It's a humble beginning. We have completed about 5.5 years. We are picking up gradually. A lot of students are enthused in it, and we suppose it will gain a lot of traction, and we'll be able to do a good job with ISRO's help.
My answer in this question is that we have learned a lot of things from this projects. I have done my PhD in this different area of the chemical engineering and the amalgamation with the instruments engineering. But due to this project, I have learned a lot of things in the computer science, a lot of things in electronics and communication. So it is directly related to the new learning things, that is the advancement in the futures that we are going to study in this project from this project. So it is also helpful for the PhD student, for the MTech and as well as the graduate students.
Yeah, this reminds me of a very interesting development. Our project was sanctioned in 2020, and before that, our project was with NRSC Shadnagar, which is a ISRO center. It's near Hyderabad, and the team over there, they requested us to visit over there before formally starting the project. So from here, me, my OPIs and our student teams, we went to Shadnagar and we had a very good exposure there. And we spent around 2-3 days, and it was a wonderful experience. In fact, the entire antenna control servo system, we were supposed to model that its control system as well as its dynamics. And we had done some work before. But when we went over there, they, opened up everything for us. And even on one day, they shut off the one particular antenna control station, and they did jogging of each axis, to show to us. They took us over there. We could see each and every actuator, how it is connected.
अभी हाल में ही देखा था मैं स्पेस, कोई मूवी का नाम था अब सबसे पॉपुलर मूवी अवतार है ना, वी हैव सीन, है ना। और अभी हाल में एक स्पेस का मूवी आया था, जैसे मार्स पे जाने वाला होगा, कुछ ऐसे मूवी था वो, है ना, तो मैंने देखा था अभी हाल में, वंडरफुल मूवी।
I don't remember the name of that movie, but there was a movie in which an astronaut is forgotten in Mars, and then there's a mission to rescue him, and he is brought back. So I don't remember the name of the movie, but that was quite interesting. Yeah.
अर्थ से सुंदर तो कुछ है ही नहीं, अर्थ से सुंदर तो कुछ है ही नहीं, इसलिए हम सबका नाम अर्थ ही रखेंगे, है ना।
नहीं, अगर रीनेम करके उसके वर्किंग में कुछ फर्क आएगा तो रेलेवेंट है, तो क्या फायदा क्या है उसका। नहीं, अगर मान लो हम रीनेम करते हैं किसी भी प्लेनेट को और उसके वर्किंग में फर्क आ जाता है, हाँ भाई, like I think it's not a very easy task for astronaut on space. Not only they have to keep on monitoring all the equipment, and also do exercising all the time.
Yes.
They must be having a very different kind of schedule than us.
तो इस पर एक अभी प्रोजेक्ट भी अभी इसरो ने रिलीज किया है, जिसमें है कि फैटिग और स्ट्रेस मेजरमेंट of the astronauts by using the EEG, ECG, EMG and their.
I think you have proposed that.
अब उससे सर वो बताइए ECG, EMG से लेके स्ट्रेस उसका एनालिसिस कर रहे हैं, कितने स्ट्रेस। इसका मतलब है कि वो लोग, इतना आसान है कहना स्पेस में जाना, इट इज वेरी टफ टू हैंडल दिस।
You know, our ISRO is also involved in another aspect of space. It is related to space. We have our team in the Antarctica. Are you aware of that? So when we went to Shadnagar, they had a conference with us, video conference with us, with the team in Antarctica. So we were able to talk to them, and it's always cold over there. Everything is ice, and it was very nice to talk to them. So we were asking them these kind of questions. You know, what do you do the rest of the day? Do you meet the other teams from the other countries? And they do have get-togethers. They do go on sledges and things like that. But it's a very different, because they are isolated from the rest of the world. It's a very challenging situation. I think the Earth is the best. We may never complete its exploration completely. I think it's a very promising area, and I hope it receives a lot more funding. There's a lot of scope, and I hope funding becomes more liberal for students, and both at the national level as well as at our institute level, so that more and more students can gain. As such, it is very rewarding to students, because they get an exposure to various ISRO centers, the challenges in each of these centers, and a very good work environment, because the work culture in ISRO centers is very, very good. It's a very wonderful work culture. So it's not only the work exposure to the work culture, but also to the technicalities of the problem. Students learn a lot.
The journey of ISRO was started from cycle and from gaon, village, and again ISRO has started lots of projects to reach the each and every student from the village. तो इसमें लर्निंग की संभावना इतना ज़्यादा है, और इसरो अब गांव-गांव तो पहुंच रही है ना, इस इसरो के सेंटर पहुंच रहे हैं कि आप हर एक बच्चा उससे सीख सके, हर एक से मोटिवेट हो सके, उससे कनेक्ट हो सके, ऐड हो सके. It is lot of learning is there to learn this area.
Happy National Space Day.
Happy National Space Day.